Welcome to PCS Synthesis Helpful Hints video series. Whenever cutting or grinding synthesis panels, be sure to use proper protective equipment. The first thing to consider when installing a shelf in our shower system is blocking location. Measure and mark where you intend to install your shelf. Then measure the width between the studs and cut your blocking to fit snugly. Using an impact gun, screw the blocking in place. Make sure to take notes as to all blocking locations before you begin your final install. Once panels are installed, measure and mark where you intend to install. Using a level, draw a line from mark to mark. Hold the shelf to the level line and mark your hole locations. Using the 3/8 core bit provided in the cutting kit, drill your guide holes through the panel. Make sure to introduce water while drilling. It will keep the dust down and extend the life of your core bit. Once the holes are drilled, dry the surface and fill with silicone. Make sure to wipe off excess silicone before install. Finish tightening shelf by hand. Do not over tighten with an impact. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon.